个区域，他去哪里了？保护自己，检查这个区域。那是谁？他去哪儿？他在保护自己。那是谁？他去哪里了？他去哪儿？那是谁？他去哪里了？拉警报！自由开火！那是谁？被侵袭了！查这个区域，拉警报！那是谁？被警报！检查这个区域，那是谁？拉警报！射击！那是谁？他去哪儿？检查这个区域。
funds and research from the Chinese spaceflight program. He's built a weaponized orbital satellite with an electromagnetic pulse cannon on board. He's going to use it to take out every other satellite up there, including the U.S. National Missile Defense System and GPS recon units. He's going to start World War III.
But there's no satellite here.
Correct. It's already aboard China's first manned space launch. The rocket is due to take off in a matter of hours. We're en route, but we might not make it in time. We can't take the chance. You're going to have to try and stop the launch.
Well, what do we have here? And you are?
The name's Jones. David Jones.
In that case, I assume it is you I must thank for disposing of Mr. Quest. Let me return the favor.
I guess he won't be needing this anymore. Anya?
Had me worried there for a while, Jones. Okay, time to get a move on. I've updated the map computer. Get to that launch site.
Heads up, Jones. You're getting close. Time for an update. Lenehan says we can't stop the launch. The Chinese had no idea what Wu Xing was up to. We don't want an international incident.
This just gets better and better. What's the plan?
It's China's first manned launch. If something was to go wrong, you need to alter the rocket's flight plan by reprogramming the navigational computer. Then launch it before anyone gets on board. This is where it gets complicated. So concentrate.
You have my undivided attention, as always.
Once you're into the facility, infiltrate the flight control center. I've uploaded a sample in Mandarin to your map computer. Sabotage the radar and use the sample to call the technician out to it. When he opens the gates, get in quick. Once inside, locate the access codes. They will let you hack the launch control computers. There should be 2 terminals. One's the nav unit, the other will lock out the launch control.
Then how am I supposed to launch the rocket?
Manually, of course.